Hello, I greet you. My name is Honorable Kron. Today I present you a nice edifice built by Ryan's Nana Okyehemaa Dokua, the Queen of Royal Chimaboka Kingdom. This nice building is located in Chibi and was purposely built for vocational education. The building is completed but yet to be stocked with furniture, vocational tools and equipment before commissioning for usage. Then enrollment starts. Education is a prioritized policy for achievements. For this reason, Nana Sofrata laid down the foundation almost 100 years ago for future generations to emulate it. He is the first traditional ruler in Ghana to have built a secondary school for his people. Nana Sofrata's grandson, the current Okyehemaa Abrewa, also did not leave behind his grandfather's legacy but continued his education policies to establish University of Agriculture and Environmental Science at Bunsu in Achim. In addition, he has also built 10 model schools for 10 towns in Achim. In conclusion, Queen Dokua of Achim has also supported the educational policy of a vocational school in Chibi, Achim. Queen Dokua, Ochyehemaa is grateful to you.